Murega mwaka mweru nindamwamukira kihinguro-ini giki kia YouTube kwiruta Gikuyu, Ruth and Mary. I welcome you to the YouTube channel, Learning the Kikuyu Language with Ruth and Mary. Ngwihoka nimuraririkana githomo kiria twathomete hindi iyo ingi uhoro wa matunda na mboga urumwe na uingi. Today we'll be learning about the words and phrases which are commonly used in speaking the Kikuyu language. Twambiririe. Ici ni ciugo iria ihuthagirwo muno kwaria Gikuyu, imwe ciacio. Some of the words you use speaking the Kikuyu language. Witagwo atia? That is common. What's your name? Njitagwo Jerry. My name is Jerry. Uhana atia? How are you? Uhana atia? Then you can answer ndi wega. That's the normal answer people give, I'm fine. It's also common for somebody to ask, umite ku? Where do you come from? Then you can maybe say where you come from. Nyumite Thika, for example. Nyumite Thika, I come from Thika. Then you can ask, where do you live? Uikaraga ku? Uikaraga ku? If the person is in Nairobi, you can say Jikaraga Nairobi. Jikaraga Nairobi. Maybe the person, she wants to learn more about you. They want to know whether you have brothers or sisters. Waciaranirwo nau? Waciaranirwo nau? Wi muhiku? Then you answer, ndi muhiku. Yes, I'm married. Wina ciana? They want to know whether you have children. Wina ciana? Then if you have, you can say, I have children. Ndina ciana. Ndina ciana. Niwe kwaria Gikuyu? Do you know how to speak Kikuyu? Can you speak Kikuyu? If you know a bit, you can say, nijui kwaria hanini. Nijui kwaria hanini. Yes, I know to speak a bit. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have gotten something. Please welcome for the next lesson. And I hope you are going to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and like. And please tell us if there is anything you want us to add or to help us improve the channel. We would really appreciate. Tigwo wega.